Welcome to ShortView Trading. This is your morning market hit for Thursday, 30th of April. What matters today for traders? Well, clearly another very strong day on Wall Street yesterday with the S&P and the Nasdaq making considerable gains on the trading session. With that, both indices have now retraced meaningful amounts of their losses, as you can see from the two Fibonacci charts we're putting in front of you now of the S&P and the Nasdaq. Those markets, of course, have been aided and abetted by a very aggressive Fed policy, both monetary and fiscal from the government. So the sugar high has pushed markets up aggressively. But as you'll see from the chart in front of you now, if you look at the S&P, it's meaningfully overextended now relative to its 50-day moving average. Indeed, this overextendedness indicator that we're showing you is back at the high levels it was back at Jan 18, just before that meaningful pullback. Now, to be fair, it's also at high levels it saw as it rallied out of the December 18 sell-off. So there's a decision to be made. Is this rally just a sugar high, or is it the start of something more meaningful? Or perhaps another way of thinking about it, how do the fundamentals look now that we've had the liquidity sugar rush from the Fed? In the very short term, it's interesting to note that almost all of our short-term 1 to 2 week market timing models are back on sell. The short-term risk appetite scoring system is registering sell signals again. That's telling you that risk appetite's been high. In other words, the market's become greedy. The short-term technical scoring system is pretty much back on sell. Again, same sort of indicator. The market's overstretched, overbought in the short term. And of course, there's a lack of downside put protection. Added to which, the skew ratio has been picking up. Now, why is this important? It's important because it's telling us about professionals buying deep out of the money put options. In other words, there's a growing concern on Wall Street amongst money managers and hedge fund managers that there's some more downside coming. For full detail on how we're playing this market, please see today's Daily Rag, available to subscribers and on the website. So what are we watching today? Well, lots going on in terms of key macro. We've got a Eurozone first quarter estimate of GDP out later on this morning. Critically, in the US, we've got jobless claims. It's been 5 terrible weeks. Will it be a 6th? We've also got the Chicago business barometer this afternoon, added to which the ECB are meeting today with a press conference following on from their announcement. That press conference will be watched closely, as was the Fed's last night. And then, of course, there's continuation of key US earnings. Today, we have Apple and Amazon, amongst many others. So that's it from us. That's your morning market hit for Thursday, April the 30th. Thank you for listening. Please do subscribe on YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter and or Facebook. Simply search under ShortView Trading. Thank you once again. Stay safe. Trade well.